In this video we learn about our local airflow setup in more details. When you run airflow standalone command, it create a couple of files for you. First file you can see airflow.cfg, a configuration file. The second one you can see airflow.db, which is for airflow metadata. In our case this is SQLite file. The third one you can see the credential file. So when you run airflow standalone command, it create a admin user for you, so you can see credential corresponding to that user here. We'll try to understand couple of configuration from airflow.cfg file, which is important for a beginner developer or DAG author. First thing you should keep in mind, before you run airflow standalone command, please make sure you have exported environment variable airflow_home. If you do not do it, may create your airflow.cfg and airflow.db file at some unexpected location. So please make sure you have exported airflow home environment variable. The second variable which I want to show you is DAG folder. So I'll just type here DAGs folder. So you can see in our case this path is set to airflow 101/DAGs. So if you create any airflow DAG, you need to keep your DAG file in this path. The third variable which I want to show you is executor. So I'll just type executor. So this is environment variable airflow_code_executor for airflow executor. So in our environment we are using local executor. The fourth configuration which I want to show you about load example. So when you run airflow standalone, airflow by default give you some example DAG just for learning purpose. If you want to disable this environment variable, you need to set this to false. By default this is enable. The fifth one I want to show you the metadata database configuration. So I'll type SQL alchemy. Okay, so in our case we are using SQLite database. So you can see we have connection string corresponding to SQLite, but let's say if you want to use Postgres, you can just replace this connection with Postgres connection string. Let's go to Airflow UI. So if I'll go on the DAG page, you can see we have 79 DAGs at the moment. But if I'll go to my editor, you will see we do not have DAG folder at all. So from where these DAG are coming? So in order to find that path, you need to go to your environment airflow folder. You can see example DAG folder. So the current DAGs are getting loaded from this folder. By default this variable is enabled, so DAG are loaded there, but you can disable it. I'll just show you. So since I am running a standalone airflow, so there is cache here. If I'll just export the loads example, it won't work. I'll just show you. So I'll just export load example is equal to false, and I'll run a standalone command. If I'll go to UI, you can see still my dagger appear. because of the nature of a standalone. So what you can do to just get rid of this problem, you can just reset your database. Since this is development environment, so it is perfectly fine to reset it. So I'll run command airflow db reset. I'll type yes. So now my database has reset, and if I'll run airflow standalone now, so my DAG should not appear. I'll just refresh, you can see, so my DAG is gone now. So this is what I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you very much for your time and watching this video. See you, bye.